Hey, what's up? July 2019 is coming to end, so we can talk about the most interesting products that were released this month. We make the videos about the new Xiaomi gadgets every month. July 2019 was very rich in new products, so let's get started. I want to note that Black Shark 2 Pro will be announced July 30th, but at the time of this video release, it is not announced yet. If you're interested in this phone, please write in comments below. We will make a special video about it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. The Chinese manufacturer started July 2019 with release of two mid-range phones, Xiaomi Mi CC9 and CC9e. The main difference between these phones in display size and resolution as well as processor. Xiaomi Mi CC9e is more compact device with 6.01-inch diagonal and HD Plus resolution. Also, it is powered by Snapdragon 665 chipset. Xiaomi Mi CC9 has 6.39-inch diagonal and Full HD Plus resolution. It is equipped with Snapdragon 710 chipset. Both phones have 4030 mAh battery and triple camera on the back with 48 megapixels main sensor. These are very interesting smartphones, because the price of Xiaomi Mi CC9e starts from $200, while CC9 costs about $260. Many people say that Xiaomi Mi A3 is a global version of Xiaomi Mi CC9e, because it has the same design, display, processor, cameras and battery. However, Xiaomi Mi A3 runs on stock Android. As you know, stock Android operating system is the main feature of Xiaomi Mi series. However, Xiaomi Mi A3 is a little more expensive than Xiaomi Mi CC9e, about $220. Of course, we cannot pass by the most popular fitness tracker from Xiaomi. The new Xiaomi Mi Band 4 has color AMOLED screen, music control function, NFC for contactless payments, and different sport modes, including swimming pool. The fitness bracelet has IP68 water resistance, so you can use it under the water. Xiaomi Mi Band 4 costs about the same as previous versions, $30. Also, Xiaomi has released another wearable device in July 2019. This is Amazfit GTR. We already made the video about this watch and explained you why this is not real smartwatch. However, this is one of the best fitness trackers in 2019, because it has 20 days of battery life, NFC, GPS, sport modes and 1.2-inch AMOLED display. The price of Amazfit GTR is about $140. As you know, Xiaomi produces not only smartphones and fitness trackers. There are many other interesting gadgets, such as Xiaomi Viomi 13L and 16L gas water heater. I drew attention to this water heater because it has control through the application on smartphone. Also, it supports 3 locations at the same time. For example, you can have a warm water in the kitchen and 2 bathrooms. The price of Xiaomi Viomi water heater is $300. Do you like to take selfies? Even if you have a good smartphone with the best selfie camera, you need a flashlight to take selfies in low light conditions and at night. Xiaomi has released a gadget called Little Fairy Soft Light. This is a flashlight for smartphone with 9 LEDs and built-in battery. Also, you can adjust the brightness. The price is only $11. What do you think it is? It looks like a fan, but it is actually a Bluetooth speaker. This is compact wireless speaker with Bluetooth 5.0 support and 3 sound effects. I have nothing to add about it. The speaker looks very nice and cute. If the previous speaker seems too childish to you, how about this? This is also wireless Bluetooth speaker, but it has a retro radio design. It has the power of 3 watt and Bluetooth 4.2 support. The new power banks from Xiaomi have a battery capacity of 10,000 and 20,000 mAh. Both of them support 18 watts quick charging 3.0. They have micro USB and USB Type-C ports, so you can charge any smartphones and other gadgets. Xiaomi released another humidifier in July 2019. This time it is intelligent sterilization humidifier with 4.5L water tank, 25 watts power and control via smartphone. The new humidifier has a constant humidity mode. It is keeping the humidity at 60% value. The last product for today is Smart Socket Plug. The main feature of this socket plug is Google Assistant and Alexa support. You can use voice commands to control home appliances, for example, to turn on the coffee maker. Also, you can set a schedule to turn on the light or TV. This useful device will make your home more comfortable and smart. Thanks for watching this video. In description I will leave the links where you can buy all the gadgets from this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.